Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will going to show you how user-defined fields work. So basically, there are few fields which is already available in your P6, but you want some other fields to be here in P6. So what you can do is you just need to go to the enterprise, and from here you just select user defined fields, and in the user defined fields you will get different types of data. So one is cost, finish date, indicator, integer, number, start date, text. So you can use any of the data type from the user defined field. So let's just create, and you can also select here where you want to assign these user defined fields. So you have activities, activity steps, issues, project expenses, projects, resource, risk, WBS, so all of these steps. So I would select this activities, and under activities I will click add, and I will try to create different types of user fields. For example, first I would like to create status. So for the status I would like to status is already taken, so status 1. So for this I would like to give a integer. Okay, then again we click one, and then here I would like to have a priority. So for priority I would like to select integer. Okay, then we have some text, so so I will create one more which is comment. So for comment will have text, what less cost. So I will create another one, and this I will give as a cost. So for cost we have cost. Okay, so I have created these. Okay, now what you need to do is you just need to click right click column, and from here you can see user defined fields. So you will have comment, you have cost, you have uh, priority, then you have status. Okay, so these are the user fields that you have already created. So how you will going to fill for activity A, comment, this activity is dependent on subcon availability, so you can have this. And then cost, this the total cost is $200 priority, so I have priority 1. And then so you can see like priority 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can assign any of the priorities. So I have priority 1. Okay, and then from here status, so it is not started yet. Okay, then this activity is started, and amount is this, priority is 3, and this is under progress. Okay, activity finished. Okay, and the cost was 240, and then this was priority 2, and this is finished. And then activity pause, something like that. You can give cost, then you can give priority 7, and then this is done. So here you can, so this is the easiest way to create the user defined fields. Basically the fields that is not available in the P6, you can just go and create your own user defined field by using the different data types which Primavera P6 provides you. So for now this is it. We can meet in another video. So if you are liking my videos, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye.